This dog was basically the neighborhood's biggest klepto. From chickens to umbrellas. If he saw it, he took it. Things got wild when he straight up swiped a neighbor's buffalo. They finally tied him up, but he was way too smart. He broke his leash and dipped. But when the neighbors finally tracked him down, their hearts literally melted. He wasn't stealing for himself. He was providing for his elderly grandma who couldn't move or work. He was doing everything for her, like a real-life grandson. No cap, this pup is a literal legend. A real one always looks out for family. Friendship goals, honestly.